gold was kind of our best option for a period of time, but the physicality was actually part of the downfall, or the ability to rug pull, right? Because the physicality necessitated, in terms of divisibility, in terms of portability, in terms of just general ease of transactions, it necessitated creating the abstraction of paper money and backing it with that. And as soon as you have that abstraction, that can be easily rug pulled, and it's also difficult in the interim to audit. And so it lends itself to predatory, and it lends itself to the incentives that it creates. Hey, I can make a whole bunch more paper than there is gold, and as long as not everybody wants the gold at the same time, I'm golden, for lack of a better term. And so I think that recognition of, hey, that made sense up to a point, and it also made sense why there were problems with it. And I'm not saying that Bitcoin with the UTXO model won't experience some of that, because, barring advances that we don't know yet that exist, there can always be improvements that can happen. But what I'm saying is, perhaps there's going to be a little bit of that, but the leaps and bounds that are afforded to us by being able to instantly audit at any point. Now, whether or not we're doing that right now is basically a no in a lot of instances. But I think what will manifest over time is a mindset of, if you are responsible for other people's money and you're not openly showing the addresses with the balances, then you're immediately brought into question. I think that ethos at some point in the future comes into reality. It's not there right now because we don't have that much of an ethos in fiat land as it is. But with cascading greater and greater rug pulls, people will realize it's not Bitcoin that's prone to being stolen. Bitcoin is very efficient at pointing out when people are fucking around. And that's kind of the killer feature of Bitcoin, I think. When it comes to securing your Bitcoin, nothing beats the COLDCARD. Built by Bitcoiners for Bitcoiners. Air-gapped, open source, and uncompromising on security. Get yours at COINKITE.com and take your self-custody seriously. Use code BTC Sessions for 5% off.